एक लीडरशिप कोच हूँ और ऑल्सो काउंसलर भी हूँ.
जी.
तो बेसिकली ह्यूमन बिहेवियर में मेरा काम है.
So you work in a human behavior.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to behave today. I need to
Please
behave.
try.
I need to behave humanly.
You need to behave humanly. Yeah. Yeah.
So Shilpa, as you said, आप बहुत new है. You are new to Canberra.
Yes.
So when did you move to Canberra?
I moved in, I would say, the end of 2023.
Oh, you're fresh meat.
I am fresh meat. Oh God, that sounds scary.
Cold meat, unfortunately.
Oh.
Fresh and very cold. Very, very cold.
So where are you from? India? Which place are you from?
Okay, so genetically, I'm from the north of India. Born and brought up in Mumbai, but been in Bangalore before this for the last 28 years. So all parts of India, the north, the west, and the south.
Okay, and how and why you in Canberra?
Well, because I happened to get married to this man, and that made me move to Canberra.
Okay, so you, how did you, okay, so आप दोनों मिले कैसे पहली बात तो?
हम दोनों काम पे मिले. Actually,
Okay.
हम दोनों मैं McKinsey एक कंसल्टिंग फर्म है, तो वहाँ पे लीडरशिप कोचिंग और CEOs और उनके टीम्स को कोच करती हूँ. एंड Rupert joined as a senior leader, and I was leading the leadership workshop, and he was one of the participants.
Oh, so you were leading the workshop, and then
She was teaching centered leadership.
okay,
And there was the two of us, similar age, similar life stage, and the rest of them were all youngsters in the room.
No, they
Yeah.
weren't youngsters. They were not all youngsters. Some in their 30s, some in their 40s, but we were the oldest.
We were the oldest.
okay.
And we got on very well. And they said, would you like, part of the package is that you'll get some extra coaching.
So yeah, sure.
So, yeah.
I landed up coaching him.
Oh, that's so cute. Coaching for life.
Yes,
That's it.
I
That's-
do that.
So
for a bit.
so she's your life coach now.
Actually, yes, I am. Am I not?
Life coach and life partner.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
So life partner is actually a life coach.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, yeah.
Always, female is always a life coach. Always tells the husband what to do and what to do.
And when to do it, and how to do it, and all of that.
Oh,
All right.
that's cute. So why we are today in studio?
Well, we're in the studio. As I said, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm new here, and I wanted people to know
Yes.
that this is the kind of work that I do, and just to start working in Canberra too.
That's so good, and welcome to Canberra.
Thank you.
You know what? For a long time I was thinking I'm new to Canberra, but I found somebody who is newest one.
I know.
I came here in 2019.
Oh, just before COVID.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I came to Canberra, and you know, वो अनु मलिक का एक phrase है ना, आग लगा देंगे. That's what I did.
Yes,
So
eh?
we came here, and after that the fire started.
Oh gosh.
And then the COVID, and then a lot of things. So yeah, I've seen all ups and downs in Australia,
Yeah.
but it was overall a good experience for me as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you are going to give me therapy.
I would love to. What do
And
you
a
want to be?
jumper, I think. You should give her a jumper as well.
Why?
It's Canberra.
Oh,
Please tell me what your problem is, and I shall.
oh, I have no problem. I'm very happy. I'm happy for now. Thank you, Shilpa. And yes, we will discuss. Shilpa is okay. So Shilpa is bringing a workshop
Yes.
to Canberra. So we are going to discuss about the workshop, and we will give you all the details, what to expect and what else to expect. We are not going to say what not to expect. We are going to say what to expect. So keep watching and keep listening. We are going to discuss more about workshop and the counseling and the therapy, and she's a business coach all in one. So we will discuss about it very soon. बोला कि हम यहाँ आया स्टूडियो में बिकॉज शिल्पा इज होस्टिंग अ वर्कशॉप. सो उस वर्कशॉप के बारे में, वो वर्कशॉप किस चीज से रिलेटेड है, वो सब अब हम बात करेंगे. सो शिल्पा, यू होस्टिंग अ वर्कशॉप ऑन 8th of November.
Yes.
Okay, so what is it about?
The workshop is basically, it's called English में self-worth reset. Basically resetting your self-worth. हिंदी में अपने आत्मसम्मान को रीसेट करना, अपने आत्म मूल्य को रीसेट करना. मनी इज लाफिंग एट मी क्योंकि उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा
नहीं
है
नहीं, मुझे
हिंदी
समझ आ
शब्द।
रहा है। नहीं, वो इतनी ऐसी हिंदी, मतलब आत्म आत्म आत्म
मूल्य।
आत्म सम्मान, आई नो, बट आत्म मूल्य, वो सेल्फ वर्थ, यस, एक्चुअली
Self-worth।
इट्स आत्म
तो और
मूल्य।
क्यों ये सब्जेक्ट, क्योंकि ये मेरा पैशन है ये सब्जेक्ट, और क्योंकि ये फाउंडेशन है, आत्ममूल्य आत्म सम्मान हमारी जिंदगी का। और अगर हम इस पे काम करें, इफ वी हैव सेल्फ वर्थ, वी विल हैव बाउंड्रीज। हम लोगों को फालतू में प्लीज नहीं करेंगे। यू नो कितनी इश्यूज होती हैं अगर सेल्फ वर्थ कम है। एक छोटी गलती हो जाती है और हम अपने आप को वर्थलेस और फेलियर बताते हैं। दूसरों को खुश करने की एक आदत होती है और दूसरों को हम खुश करते जाते हैं और अपने बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है, फिर थक जाते हैं मेंटली, इमोशनली, फिजिकली। फिर कंपेयर करते हैं दूसरों से और हमेशा खुद को कम महसूस करते हैं। ये काफी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिसकी वजह से लाइफ में, पर्सनल लाइफ में, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में लोगों को परेशानी होती है। तो इसलिए मैं ये वर्कशॉप अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए इससे स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ कि जो लोग, जिन लोगों को लगता है कि वी वांट टू वर्क, ये नहीं कि आप लोगों में आत्मसम्मान नहीं है, आत्म मूल्य नहीं है, बट उसको बढ़ाना है। और ये जो अंदर की एक वॉइस हमेशा हमें बताती रहती है कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो, आप फेलियर हो, ये कम किया, आप इससे अपने आप से कंपैरिजन हम करते रहते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए है ये वर्कशॉप।
ओके, सो माय क्वेश्चन नाउ, अच्छा मेरे माइंड में भी क्वेश्चन चल रहा था कि योर बैकग्राउंड इज द लीडरशिप कोच।
My background, I have three things. I am a leadership coach where I've coached CEOs and leadership teams globally. I am also a counselor and therapist for handling all kinds of issues that individuals come to me for, any relational, any kinds of issues.
Okay, so let's talk about this, the leadership coach. But when as a leadership coach, or if we are in a business, or if we are working professionals, this self-worth goes down when we are into competition.
Yes.
So now being in a corporate world, I myself says that when we have targets, when we have all the budget sets and the targets are set that you have to achieve something, but when you can't meet those targets, your surroundings, your people actually makes you feel
Lesser than.
yes, definitely, and people don't say directly, but they
Yes.
make you feel
comes across, energy में आता है.
yes. So now when you are in that world where you are actually giving those lectures to CEOs, and that's what we are actually giving, that's what we teach from hierarchies from top to bottom. That's
Yes.
what goes, right? You
Yes.
have to do this, you have to do
Yes,
this,
of
you have to
course.
do this. So how do you look at it being a leadership coach?
When you say how do you look at it,
Like-
how do I support someone who's going through something like
Yes,
this?
yes.
मैं पहले तो देखिए, जिंदगी में ने ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता है, ठीक है। एक बार आपने गोल सेट किया, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 आपने किया, बहुत अच्छा बोनस भी मिला, और एक बार आप नीचे चले गए, यू हैव नॉट मेट द गोल। तो आपकी जो, और ये वर्कशॉप इज एग्जैक्टली फॉर थिंग्स लाइक दैट। योर सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ शुड नॉट कम फ्रॉम आउटर थिंग्स, ठीक है। कभी अच्छी चीजें होंगी लाइफ में, कभी अच्छी चीजें नहीं होंगी, कभी लोग आपको पसंद करेंगे, कभी लोग आपको नहीं पसंद करेंगे। पर अगर आपकी लाइफ में ऊपर नीचे स्ट्रेस इन भारी चीजों से हुआ, तो माय गॉड, आई मीन ऑल हेल्थ जो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं उसी की वजह से होती हैं। सो दिस वर्कशॉप इज इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपनिंग, ये चीजें होती रहती है लाइफ में, इट्स लाइफ, राइट।
Right.
How do you still maintain your sense of self? So I work on that, you know, in spite of all of this happening.
Interesting. That's interesting. So how people have come, like, approach you before, what as you said, for counseling and therapy, what kind of, I wouldn't say what kind of people, but what kind of cases or scenarios you have faced?
In therapy,
Yeah.
all kinds of things, all kinds, husband-wife issues, emotional abuse, somebody being physically abused, someone feeling disrespected in the relationship continuously, not being valued, someone having lack of self-esteem, someone who's always pleasing people and not looking after their own needs, someone who needs to build their confidence and executive presence. A lot of leaders come to me. So these are all I'm talking about counseling related issues. For coaching, it could be executive presence. I want to build my executive presence. I'm a senior leader. I want to build that. Or I want to be not confident speaking in public. I want to be confident. How do I become more assertive? How do I manage my team better? And so there is so many things.
And then these topics, like whatever you discussed with the people or you when you give counseling, does it affect you?
Yes, I do take in a lot of stuff, but I also meditate every morning, and that helps me really recharge myself. I mean, you're sitting in front of me.
Yeah. No,
Do
I think
seem like I'm carrying the
I
burdens
asked
of
the
the
wrong
world?
question. I asked the question to the wrong person. Ruben. That must be for you. Like
We talk a lot. We talk all the time about all the things in our lives and things like that. So I guess that way it dissipates a little bit, when you share stuff.
So does she, like, do you both talk about it at home?
Not in like client specific kind of things,
Yep.
but just in terms of how we're feeling and with what we're going to do next and what's fun in life, what can we do, how we work our way around things,
Oh, that's interesting. That's really interesting.
Car trips are good, Long car trips are amazing.
Oh.
That's one of my favourite things to do because, you sit in the car, you talk about everything. It's really cool. Good fun.
So what do you guys talk about? Other than, okay, let's say this is more of a work thing when you're
Yeah.
going on a drive. What do you guys, do you talk about like work and...
Oh, I talk about myself. He talks about himself. I talk about things. We talk about. I mean, we are human beings too. We are
Yeah.
husband wife too. We also have our own issues. We talk about how he tells me about how sometimes I irritate him, and I tell him the same, and we try and solve it. And honestly, some of it does get solved. One of the things that I do is workshops for couples and also EQ, emotional quotient, for
Yes.
leaders. So I've got to follow it in my own life. So we both follow it.
Do you?
I do. You should ask him. Actually.
Yeah, that's what I was about. Does she follow that?
Yeah, no, I think that's fair enough. That's one of the things that attracted me to her in the first place. She's a remarkably perceptive, insightful person, which can be a little scary at times because she doesn't miss much, But it's good.
But does it, do you find it a little scary? Like when okay, it's more about the person in and out,
Yeah.
right? So can you say now that you know him in and out?
I don't think one can know anyone in and out. Ever. Ever. We don't know ourselves.
Yeah, that's
We
true.
barely know like 10% of ourselves. 90% of ourselves is in the subconscious, So you can't say that about anyone, including yourself.
Yeah, but I mean, I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
She'll often say, "Oh, what's up? What's on your mind?" And I'm like, "I'm fine. I really think I'm fine." And then she's like, "No, you're not." And then
You
I'm
must
like,
be thinking.
Oh yeah. In fact, now you mention it, there is this thing that's bothering me. Do you know what I mean? I don't even know.
Oh,
So she works it out.
that's called attachment. That she get to know from your face that there is something in your mind. So maybe
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
the thing.
Oh, there's a term for that. I don't know if you know this. It's a very sophisticated medical term. It's called the resting anxious face. RAF.
That's his favorite expression, facial expression. We've named it RAF.
RAF, resting
Yeah.
anxious
Anxious
face.
face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why have you got RAF going on? What's up?
Ah, that's a good term. I got to know, so I can use that term as well. Okay, so बातें और होती रहेंगी, लेकिन थोड़े से सीरियस माहौल को बनाते हैं और मजेदार और एक गाने के साथ इसमें थोड़ा ब्रेक लेते हैं और उसके बाद और क्वेश्चंस आएंगे मेरी तरफ से. When is it and how people can join this workshop?
It is on the 8th of November at the QT Canberra Hotel.
Yes.
It's from 1:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And how people can join the workshop is
contact you?
Contact me.
And your contact details, please.
My contact details, I can share my number.
Yes.
0488 041858.
Okay.
Do you want me to repeat it?
Please.
I want as many people as possible to come. I mean, please आइए, sign up कीजिए, मुझसे बात कीजिए, मुझे, मजा आएगा.
Just throw questions at her.
Throw questions like
Yeah.
this. I love questions like this. I will also. It's a very interactive workshop. मैं जैसे आपने मेरी आवाज तो सुनी है अभी, मैं बोरिंग लेक्चरर टाइप नहीं हूँ. बहुत मजा भी आएगा.
And how people can sign up?
They can connect.
They can go to our website. If they
Yes,
just Google
Mm-hmm.
our business name, which is Balance Partners,
Balance Partners.
that'll just come straight up. And on the website there's the sign-up details and all of those things. If you look on the right of the website, Self-Worth Reset, and you go there, and there's a super simple way to sign up with a QR code and a couple of things. And there's a little bit more explanation about the workshop and about Shilpa's background and all that kind of thing. So.
And I'll also repeat my number. You can just WhatsApp me, text me, whatever you feel like. The number is 0488 041858.
And balancepartners.com.
Balancepartners.com.au.
Okay, so listeners, you can sign up for the workshop at balancepartners.com.au or Shilpa ने आपको number दिया है, so please contact her and get the details. And sign up करना बहुत easy है, website पे जाके और भी सारी information वहाँ आपको आराम से मिल जाएगी. So अभी हम वर्कशॉप कंटिन्यू करते हैं. हमारी अपनी वर्कशॉप चल रही है अभी हम स्टूडियो में. So let's go back to the leadership coach. Do you discuss all these topics during the leadership coaching as well?
Yes, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Because leader की सबसे बड़ी जो परेशानी होती है, as they go up higher and higher and higher, people don't like them.
Yeah.
Because they have to take certain very tough decisions. Like you were talking about meeting goals and all of that, right? Their self-belief and self-ability in themselves has to be huge. They have to be very resilient. Okay? So, gosh, topics like this are discussed all the time.
I think when we start what I have seen leadership journey, when they're going up and up, they forget their leaders. They become bosses.
Unfortunately. You're
Is
right
it
about
right?
that. Unfortunately.
Yep, because I have seen, I'm myself a leader, but what I have been taught that the way, I have a role model. I follow that leader. So I always think about that person. When I do anything, even with my team, even if just a decision, I always think about that person because I have seen that person, how that person have treated everyone. But then I've seen some of them and I feel like when they go up, they forget that they're leaders. They become bosses.
Yes.
Micromanagement.
Yes.
Trust issues.
Oh gosh, yes, you're talking about all the issues I deal with teams. And
Yes.
one question that I always ask people is, when you're, a little difficult question, but I have this thing that if you're able to think about your death, you will live your life fully. इसमें कुछ मरोज या दुखी होने की बात नहीं है. अगर आप अपने डेथ के बारे में आप सोच सकते हो रोज, आपकी जो जिंदगी है ना, आप पूरी तरह से जियोगे एंड ब्यूटिफुली जियोगे, क्यों ये सोच के कि वन डे आई एम गोइंग टू डाई. पर अगर आप ये नहीं सोचोगे, you'll think I have time, and you won't live your life fully. You won't do all the
Definitely.
things. You'll keep waiting, right?
I do that. So I have a motto in my life that 3-4 महीने काम करो अच्छे से and then take a holiday for a week or 2.
Yes, that's beautiful.
So now everybody says, oh, you know what, we want to go there, but not now. I said, but who have seen tomorrow?
Exactly.
You don't know if you're gonna be there tomorrow. So live today. And I always say, if somebody tells me one day that you have just 2 months, I'm gonna wrap up everything, pack everything, and go somewhere and have fun for 2 months.
Exactly.
If I'm going to die, what's the reason of sitting at home and just thinking about death and start crying and make family? No, I'll just disappear. I'll throw my phone
Yes.
and go somewhere and enjoy.
That's beautiful.
Yes, that's my life, that I want to live my life in that way.
So the boss and leader thing, let me
Yep.
just finish what I
Yep.
was trying to say. I asked them, what's the legacy you're going to leave behind? When you're 80, 90, people are living longer and longer. Aap kya chodoge? You know, what are you going to leave behind? And if you're able to leave more leaders behind, don't be bothered about ye quarter, ye number karwana hai, ye abhi target, ye EBITDA, ye balance sheet, ye P&L.
Yeah.
You know, yes, that's important, but have a macro vision beyond that. What's my legacy?
Yes, that's true. That's true.